What?
Ganja plants.
Have I grown them?
No, I'm asking.
So you go and find out. No? Why are you asking? This is a stupid question. What you're asking? It looks like I have been encouraging anyone growing ganja. No?
Sir, that day outgoing BJP president Mandal Adhyaksh has spoken
Praised you.
the truth about you.
He has praised you.
He praised you.
Thank you very much. But see, ultimately we are all in the same party. He may have said or he may have mentioned some of these earlier experience. So I'm thankful to him basically, and it is not the way how we look at it. Okay.
सो बाकीचे लोक तुमच्या बद्दल मनान कितें राग बी दवरला जाल्यार तेंचो वयतलो फुडाराक इन फ्युचर.
अरे मामा राग कितलो our life we can never say how long we will live. So rag आणि दवरपाक म्हणजे time ना. So everyone should forget all this rag and all. Everything should be in mode only.
सर परत पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी जे खणून घेतलेले ते टायमार जातले कंप्लीट हे
But see, listen to me. It is a wrong question you are asking. I have been telling it now also. Last time also some press people asked me, and the same thing I am repeating back again. There is the MD where as far as smart city is concerned. Go and question him. There is chief secretary. Go and question him. He is the chairman of smart city. Do that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.